You asked, how to divide 3185 by 2 using the long division method. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 11 minus 10 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1592 remainder 1.